Which is harder, a frying pan or a human skull?
Oh my god, that almost took my head off. We're using balloons to test the strength of this pan, just like testing our skin. This banana is like the softest part of your body.
3, 2, 1.
Oh man, guys, this carrot is as hard as your finger. 3, 2, 1.
My hands hurt so bad. Next up, the frying pan versus an egg. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, it just blasted a whole chair.
That's it for today's
3,
final test. 2, 1.
Wait. If this video gets 10K likes, you decide what happens next.
Okay, alright, make sure to hit follow and subscribe. Here's the pan still in one piece, and here's the evidence left by the egg.